guys, in today's video I will build a 4S and 10P. This is 10P. This one is a 10P, 10 battery in parallel connection. So now this is a total of 4S. This is 10P, that means 10 battery in parallel connection. Then series, that means positive and negative, then positive and negative. Check this one by one. Voltage, even though this is new, I use this this pack equivalent to 60 EFs and 12 volts. This 3 small piece of nickel strip is for sensing wire. So maybe after you watch the video, you are thinking why I designed three input and 8 output. Because if the output only one, the ampere or current will focus on one location. For example, only one output and input, all current will go to this one cell. So this cell will carry all the current from the entire battery pack. So to avoid that, must be divided. Based on my experience in doing such of building a battery pack. So this is the positive and negative. I'm going to check the voltage and including the resistance. The voltage is 13.16 volts and the resistance is 5, which is better, steady on 5.9. The next thing I do is to wire this battery pack. Unfortunately, I haven't yet received the active balancer, and I have only a BMS. But as far as I know, a Lifepo4 battery, it needs active balancer to balance the charge. So pretty much that's my next video, how to wire this battery pack. And if you have any questions in regards to this battery pack, can you please comment to the comment section box. See you to my next video, wiring this battery pack.